Hi, it's Todd Howard with Blake Real Estate, and welcome to 1010 Emerson Drive in beautiful Dunedin, Florida. What we have for you today is a completely renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bath home that's absolutely stunning. But before we go inside, let's take a look at the lot lines and I'll meet you in the kitchen. All right, so welcome inside of the house. What you're gonna find here is a brand new updated kitchen with brand new countertops, brand new soft close cabinets, and brand new stainless steel appliances. The rest of the house is just as gorgeous. Let's go have a look. That's going to do it today for 1010 Emerson Drive in beautiful Dunedin, Florida. If you have any interest in this property at all, feel free to reach out to me. Todd Howard, Blake Real Estate, 727-614-3296. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.